All right. Up to over our first step. I think that truck is about done. Got mine out in the nick of time. I've never seen it this bad, nor has Ed. And he's lived here for 20 years. It is here. And right to the front of our house. I just wonder now if safety's an issue. I have pulled up what I could by myself, and that's only stuff. Stuff can be replaced. Although it sucks, I'm not gonna lie. Ah, man. That's our basement. That is the underneath the deck. Trying every measure possible to keep the water out of here. Sub pumps, you name it, but I just don't think there is much of a chance, regardless of what I do. I'm glad I took Mary out because she was halfway grounded out there. For help's sake, please recede.